Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am your friend Zaid Afzaldar and you're watching my channel Living in Saudi Arabia. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all notifications on time and every time. During this video, if you find the information useful, please like this video. Remember that a lot of hard work is done in the background to get you all this information. Today is Thursday, 14th of July 2022. Let's have a look at today's gold prices in the UAE. Starting with the 1 gram price of 24 carats gold without VAT price is 202.26 and with VAT is 212.37. 22 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 185.68 and with VAT is 194.96. 21 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 176.98 and with VAT is 185.83. 18 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 151.70 and with VAT is 159.29. 14 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 118.32 and with VAT is 124.24. 10 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 84.34 and with VAT is 88.56. 6 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 50.57 and with VAT is 53.10. Keeping in mind the VAT rate in the UAE is 5%. I hope you'll find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please like this video and share this information with your friend and family so that everyone gets the latest update. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.